Hey, this is Cindy. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what we're going to be covering throughout this set of videos. We're going to start the very beginning. I'm not going to assume you know anything. We're going to go over the screen itself, get you familiar with terminology, what are some of those pieces and parts, how those buttons work, and then we'll jump right in and start creating what we call an Excel workbook. Sometimes people will call these Excel sheets, and they're really not sheets because the sheets are actually in the workbook. The file itself is called the workbook. That's the terminology we're going to be using. We're going to go all the way through. I'm going to show you how to set up a workbook from scratch. We're going to talk about how to work with those different sheets. We'll go through all the formatting options. How do you print those borders? We're going to go all the way through and create some formulas as well. A formula is basically a mathematical calculation that you can have Excel do. And that's the beauty of working with any kind of spreadsheet or workbook is being able to do those mathematical calculations. Let's go ahead and just jump right in. I'm going to go ahead and start by giving you an overview of the Excel window first so you'll know exactly what we're doing as we move forward. Let's move over into section 4.